Welcome back to PC Error Detective, and in today's video, I'll show you how to go back in Adobe Illustrator so you can easily reverse mistakes and return to a previous step while designing. Let's go through the steps clearly and simply. For step 1, the quickest way to go back is by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Z on Windows or Cmd+Z on Mac. This immediately undoes the last action you performed in Illustrator. For step 2, if you need to go back multiple steps, keep pressing Ctrl+Z or Cmd+Z repeatedly. Illustrator will continue moving backward through your recent actions one step at a time. For step 3, you can also use the menu option by clicking Edit at the top, then selecting Undo. This is helpful if you prefer using menus instead of keyboard shortcuts. For step 4, if you accidentally undo too much, go to Edit and choose Redo, or press Ctrl+Shift+Z on Windows or Cmd+Shift+Z on Mac. This moves you forward again to recover the action. For step 5, open the History panel by going to Window, then History. This panel shows a list of recent actions, and clicking any step lets you jump back to that exact point in your design. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tutorials.